Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below where you can get one of these at a low cost and get it fast and free shipping. All you got to do is click the link, add it to your cart, check out fast so they can ship this to you fast. So hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is staying safe. And we got something good in this box to show you today, guys. So, it's coming from my good friends over in RENPHO. Check them out, see what other goodies they might have to offer besides this one. And one more clip in right there. We got here something. Oh boy. We have air compression leg massager. Ooh. This would be a nice Father's Day gift to give somebody. Rechargeable battery could last up to 3.5 hours. Easy to use. Alright. Leather skin. More comfortable massage. 3 compressions. Something. Allow. Can't even read that. And testes. It's interesting. Help relieve muscle pain and improve blood circulation and edema. Oh. So if you're on your feet a lot, this would be really nice to have. Take it out of your bag. Alright, let's get inside. At work, you could take it on your break. Especially if you're sitting in your desk all day. After your workouts to relax. During those long marathon nights of gaming. I'll just rip it off that. Oh boy. It happens sometimes. So we got here. Oh boy. Alright. Come on out. So we got RENPHO. Oh yeah, we got a little travel bag. We got something in here. This must be the charger battery. Oops. Yep. Normal cable, power cable, converter. You're gonna need this. We got the manual. I don't think we're gonna need it. Should be easy to. Oh, come on. Should be easy to set up. Should be. So, gotta find what's inside this box. Only you. Whoa, look at this controller. Jeez. Whack. We got 3 modes. Power button. Oh, we got a clip. Clip it somewhere. That's where the charger goes. Yep, I got a free spot so I can plug that in. Okay. Now let's take a look at this. That's where the good stuff is. Take these out of the bag. Nice little satchel bag to travel with. Especially on the long flights, once we could fly again. Take this with you on an airplane. Limo riding. Jet flying. Wheeling and dealing. Ooh. I like. Okay. Right on. Velcro strap. We got this. Plug must be goes into here. This 4-port. See these 4 circles? Shove it in. Like so. Maybe in this way. We're gonna need this first. So, just about done here, guys. Thank you guys for watching, for subscribing. And now, we're gonna test this thing out. Oh, got a hook shot in. Jordan. Alright, guys, we'll be done in a second. Shouldn't be that long of a video today. this. There we go. Alright, let's plug her in. She's gonna be plugged in, juiced up, plugged in. Goes in this way. Huh. Maybe that's to charge it. Come on. Is it in? Oh. I think it needs to be charged. Yeah, it needs to be charged. Alright, I'm going to pause you guys and then charge this thing up. Alright guys, I gave it a little juice. I got it wrapped around my legs. Right down there, see? But you're supposed to do it without clothes on. So just put it normal. Like wear shorts or something like that. Your boxers for, you know, binge watch your TV shows, movies. So got it plugged in. It feels really good. I was testing it out. You guys can hear it. Pumping up. You can switch it to 3. Oh yeah, I feel it. Kind of feels like one of those like when they take your heart rate or whatever. It's like when they put the pump on your wrist or your elbow. But yeah, this, ooh. You can hear it. Feels good though. Oh, you hear it? Ow. Okay, that's a little tight. Ooh, ease up a bit. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ow. Hear the air? You can switch it like so. This is really cool. So if you don't know what to get to your family member, get them one of these. Be a perfect gift. Yeah, it feels good. You can change mode. Like to 1, 3, 2. I'm gonna charge it more though. It's not that loud though. It won't interfere with your movie watching experience or your shows. Like I said, perfect for gaming. Oh yeah, I feel it. Feels good, guys. I ain't lying. Definitely check this out. She's going in through the cycle. Got number 2 on mode. Yeah, I never used one of these, but dang, I'm missing out. This is definitely a nice relaxation. You don't need to go to the spa or the massage parlor. Have it set up in your home. Yeah, it's definitely good, guys. I think it's about done. Yeah, that's it. Wow, legs feel different already. Especially, you guys, once we get back to full swing, if you're going to be on your feet a long time, when you get home after your dinner, you know, just pop these on, watch some sports, news, whatever you guys watch, some YouTube videos. Definitely, these are the way to go. RENPHO air compression leg massager. Really cool, guys. Definitely check them out. I'll have the link. Be safe out there. Have fun. See you guys soon. Good day.